In this video, you will learn how to use billing.com with QuickBooks Online. First, sign up or log in to billing.com. Go to billing.com and create an account or log in. Choose a plan that supports QuickBooks Online integration. Then, connect billing.com to QuickBooks. In billing.com, go to the settings, sync and then setup. Select QuickBooks Online as your accounting software. Log in. Log into your QuickBooks Online account and authorize the connection. Choose your sync preference, such as vendors, invoicing, chart of accounts, or anything else. Sync your data. Click Sync Now in billing.com to import all your data from QuickBooks. This pulls vendors, customers, account and outstanding bills and invoices. Manage bills. Enter bills or vendor invoices directly in billing.com. Schedule and send payments via check or international transfer. Payment and bill status updates will be synced back to QuickBooks Online. Track invoices. You can also create and send customer invoices from billing.com. When customers pay, the payment will automatically be recorded in QuickBooks. Review. In QuickBooks, go to Expenses or Banking tab to review the synced transactions. Reconcile your account, as usual, to keep your books accurate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.